Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Halfbaked Harvest cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated releases for home cooks and food enthusiasts alike, promising a delightful collection of recipes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious, drawing inspiration from Tieghan Gerard's signature style that blends comfort food with elevated, approachable gourmet. Number 5. SMIRLY Large Bamboo Cheese Board Set. Impress your guests with this beautifully designed cheese and charcuterie board. It's crafted for easy entertaining, perfectly displaying a variety of delicious treats for any occasion. This versatile board features handy accessories and grooves, making it simple to create a colorful and appetizing spread. Dazzle your guests at any gathering with your culinary creations. Looking for the perfect gift? This unique cheese board set is ideal for couples, new homeowners, or anyone celebrating a special occasion. It's a thoughtful and timeless present. Expand your serving options with the included bamboo fruit tray. Use our guide to design stunning platters that are sure to impress. It's an ideal gift for any celebration. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, this board resists liquids and odors, staying beautiful and functional. It's easy to clean, making it a reliable choice for years of entertaining. What we like? This board is perfect for those who love to entertain. If you're looking for a way to effortlessly impress your guests with beautiful displays of food, this is for you. It's also a fantastic housewarming or hostess gift. What people say. The recipes are well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. This cookbook is packed with delicious and creative recipes that are perfect for any occasion. The photography in this cookbook is stunning, with beautiful pictures of each dish. Number 4. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden Hydroponic System. Experience abundant harvests all year round with this indoor hydroponic system. It allows you to grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, completely mess-free. This compact countertop garden has room for 6 live plants at once. Its spacious design accommodates plants up to 12 inches tall. The full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight, helping your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than in soil. It features an automatic on-off timer for convenience. Our indoor garden features a touch-sensitive control panel. It conveniently reminds you when to add water and plant food, ensuring a simplified gardening experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, liquid plant food, and a gourmet herb seed pod kit. It includes popular herbs like basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint. What we like? For the aspiring home chef or anyone who loves fresh ingredients, this system is a game changer. If you want to grow your own herbs and vegetables indoors, regardless of the season or your gardening experience, this is the ideal solution. It makes fresh produce accessible right on your countertop. What people say. The recipes are well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. The photography is stunning, making the food look even more delicious. This cookbook is packed with creative and unique recipes that you won't find anywhere else. Number 3. Halfbaked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. Discover over 125 recipes designed for ultimate convenience. Enjoy delicious comfort foods ready in an instant. Simplify your cooking routine with our meal prep solutions. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. Wake up to deliciousness with our overnight recipes. Perfect for busy mornings, these dishes are prepared the night before. Experience the joy of easy cooking without compromising on flavor. These recipes are perfect for any skill level. This cookbook is your new essential guide for simple, satisfying meals. It's packed with variety and flavor for everyone. From the trusted name of Halfbaked Harvest, comes a collection of your new favorite go-to recipes. Simple, satisfying, and super. What we like? If you're a busy individual or family looking for delicious, no-fuss meals, this cookbook is your answer. It's perfect for anyone who loves comforting food but doesn't have a lot of time for complex cooking. Get amazing meals on the table quickly and easily. What people say. This cookbook is filled with delicious and creative recipes that are perfect for any home cook. The photography in this cookbook is stunning, with beautiful images accompanying each recipe. The recipes are well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 2. Halfbaked Harvest Cookbook, Mountain Barn Recipes. Step into the rustic charm of my mountain barn, a place filled with warmth and delicious inspiration. Discover recipes that capture the essence of this special location. Embark on a culinary adventure with this collection of unique dishes. Each recipe tells a story, bringing the spirit of the mountains right to your kitchen. These recipes are crafted with love and shared directly from my personal kitchen. I can't wait for you to try them and create your own delicious memories. Explore a variety of hearty and wholesome meals, perfect for any occasion. They are designed to be both comforting and exciting for your taste buds. Experience the flavors of the mountains with these carefully curated recipes. They are a true reflection of the ingredients and inspiration found here. Get ready to find your next go-to dish within these pages. This cookbook is packed with delightful options that are sure to become family favorites. What we like. This cookbook is for the home cook who dreams of rustic charm and hearty, comforting dishes. If you love recipes that feel like a warm hug and evoke a sense of cozy mountain living, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It brings a unique, personal touch to your cooking. What people say. The recipes are well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. The photography is stunning, making the food look even more delicious. This cookbook is packed with creative and unique recipes that you won't find anywhere else. Number 1. Halfbaked Harvest Everyday Cookbook. Discover a new way to approach your meals with the Halfbaked Harvest Everyday Cookbook. It's filled with recipes designed for balance and flexibility. This collection focuses on creating meals that make you feel good, both physically and mentally. Enjoy the freedom to adapt recipes to your lifestyle. You'll find it easier than ever to prepare delicious and nourishing dishes. These recipes are perfect for any day of the week. Brought to you by the creator of Half-Baked Harvest, these recipes are a natural extension of her popular style. Get ready for vibrant and satisfying food. Transform your kitchen into a space of joy and creativity. This cookbook offers practical solutions for delicious, feel-good eating every single day. What we like. For those seeking a healthier, more mindful approach to everyday eating, this cookbook is ideal. If you're looking for recipes that are nourishing, adaptable to your lifestyle, and genuinely enjoyable to make and eat, this is the one. It promotes a positive relationship with food. What people say. This cookbook is packed with delicious and creative recipes that are perfect for any home cook. The recipes are easy to follow and the instructions are clear, making it a great resource for beginners and experienced bakers alike. The photography in this cookbook is stunning, with beautiful images of each dish that will inspire you to get in the kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.